Ever found yourself scratching your head, wondering how to navigate the booming world of AI to enhance your professional life? You're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into Odin AI, a platform ambitiously claiming to be the one AI platform for everything. This platform is designed for simplifying and automating complex work, making it an ideal tool for anyone looking to integrate AI into their business without getting bogged down in a jungle of separate tools. We're tackling how Odin AI can revolutionize the way you manage work, customer engagements, and even your meeting notes. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore how you can leverage Odin AI in your day-to-day work. First things first, let's talk about what Odin AI actually offers. Picture a platform where you don't have to flick between various apps like chat, task automators, and meeting assistants. That's precisely what Odin AI is aiming for, a one-stop solution that integrates all of these functionalities within a single, secure platform. This is huge for businesses and professionals who want to keep things simple but impactful. With Odin AI, you're looking at serious workflow automation without the nemesis of unnecessary complexity. It goes beyond mundane, repetitive tasks, helping with multi-step processes that need a bit of flair and AI intelligence. Imagine not having to worry about manually chasing follow-ups or toggling between apps to get your tasks done. Simplification at its finest. Think about it. Privacy is a big deal, right? Odin AI focuses heavily on enterprise-grade privacy and data security standards. This is not just a bonus, it's a necessity, especially if you're dealing with sensitive data. If you're working in a medium to large organization, you know privacy and governance are top priorities, and this tool makes them central to its operation. Speaking of tools, Odin AI is built on generative AI technology. Now, what does that mean for you? In simple terms, models like GPT-4o are powering this beast of a platform, which means it's not only sophisticated, but up to date with the latest AI advances. This translates to better natural language, understanding, content generation, and overall improved interaction patterns in your workflow. Now, let's break down a few standout features. First, workflow automation is a star feature. For those managing business processes, Odin AI offers tools to build intelligent systems for task management. And guess what? You don't need to be a coding wizard to use them, thanks to its no-code, low-code interface. This means more time saved and less frustration. Moving on to conversational AI, a tool not just for customer service, but any professional scenario where communication is key. With its AI chatbot builder, you can create custom chatbots tailored to specific needs. They're not just cookie-cutter bots, but can be designed to fit the unique voice and requirements of your business. Ever find meetings are more time-consuming than they should be? Odious, isn't it? That's where Odin AI's meeting intelligence feature steps in. Imagine having an AI-powered solution that automates note-taking and streamlines meetings. You get summaries without lifting a finger, enabling you to focus on the conversation instead of scribbling notes. What really makes Odin AI stand out, though, is the way it builds AI agents. Think of them as autonomous sidekicks, handling tasks from menial to complex. These agents leverage the combination of conversational AI with task automation to operate and let's not forget, Odin AI integrates with organizational knowledge bases, improving accuracy with GPT-4o's help. This means richer, more informed interactions and decisions at every level of your business. So, who exactly should use Odin AI? If you're in a business needing robust, scalable AI solutions, specifically where workflows are intricate and privacy is crucial, this is for you. From customer service and sales to operations in any department dealing with frequent meetings, Odin AI has something tailored for your tasks. If you're considering diving into AI but dread learning curve, here's the good news. You don't have to start from scratch. By integrating Odin AI into your professional workflow, you're equipping yourself with tools that handle the complexity for you, allowing you to focus on strategic elements rather than the nitty. Before we wrap up, if you're finding this content helpful and want to learn more about integrating AI in professional settings, hit that like button, comment with any questions or thoughts you have, and subscribe for more insights straight from AI Thunder. Let's make AI accessible and useful for everyone. As we conclude, remember, having a trusted AI guide like Odin AI can really be a game changer for you and your organization. You're not just riding a trend, you're reshaping your professional toolkit for better efficiency and results. Until next time, keep exploring the AI world, and don't hesitate to reach out here for more on how you can unlock the full potential of AI in your work life.